Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to Home Bargains into the garden aisles. Yes, finally, the time has come to visit the garden aisles, and if you have garden, I'm so very jealous. I wish I had a garden just to sip my coffee and just look at the work that needs to be done after the winter. As you can tell, I love gardening, maybe because I don't actually have a garden. Well, my mom has a garden, and every time when I'm in Czech, I pop over to help her, and also I was helping in a garden when I was growing up in Czech. But that's my backstory. Now let's go back to present time, to Home Bargains. That's why we are here for. Right, we've seen some faux plants and flowers in the shape of hearts, which are very beautiful, and they're only £9.99. So if you want to give your garden some love, you can buy these and just put them on the wall or by the door. Or, if you have a shed, they'll be pretty place to put them too. And if you can keep your plants alive, do not worry. Home Bargains have fake plants which are very tall and look very realistic. And they're around £20, so not bad price at all. Some of them are cheaper, some of them are more expensive. And they also have different colors. I personally love the lavender ones because I love lavender. Let me know if you... So I think that there are two groups. One of people love lavender, the other one absolutely hate lavender. I love, my other half hates. So we're a fun household, but I don't push it on him. If he doesn't like it, I'm not just gonna spray lavender all around the flat. They also have these hanging cones basket with flowers in them. Yes, they are fake and they're only £12.99. And as you can see, they have two different colors. One of them is like fuchsia pink with white flowers, and the other one was slightly lilac-y purple with white flowers. And then, I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea what these plants are called. They're all fake, but they're so pretty and so beautiful, and they're £16.99, so a little bit more expensive than the previous ones. These ones, on the other hand, in a grey basket, were only £9.99. How amazing price is that? And also, wreath for your front door or any door in your house, £9.99. Matching candle holder with candles inside as well. Then they also have matching wall art. I have one of these from last year and I have it in my bathroom. It just looks so very pretty. And also, how cute is this bunny lavender doorstop. Also have this gnome by your front door, and he is holding the welcome sign. Now these plant pots, they look very popular because there are only two left at my store, and they have more fake animals. It sounds weird to say that. It's like sculptures for only £2.99, and then they also have these pretty thingies that move with the wind. And they also have more decoration for your wall in the garden, and I really like these window mirrors. I think that they've been around for some time. Unfortunately, there was no price tag. And if you like to looking at birds or feeding birds, they have this window bird feeder which got suction cups on it, and it was only £2.99. And then they also have this wooden birdhouse which was £4.99. Or if you like the cottagecore style, they have this saucer and a cup bird feeder, and there's many more to choose from. And also, if you hate flies like I do, they have these like fly repellents and also bug repellents from £2.99. Some of them are battery operated. And who doesn't like lights in the summer? Look at these. I mean, this whole disco show for £7.99. You can literally have like a tiki party in your back garden with these neon disco lights. Well, not neon, but you know what I mean. They're super pretty and fun, and they have so many more to choose from. Most of them are solar powered, so just to make sure when you buy them, just to check if they require electricity or battery, or if they're solar panel, if they're just working from the sun. Oh my goodness, what am I even saying? Then they also have these water fountains and racks, because we want to protect our flooring even in the garden or at your patio, you know, from any spills, or if like the drink falls from the table, or food, the hot dogs ended up on the ground. You can just, you know, is it 3 second or 5 second rule? Let me know what you think, because they started at £7.99. And also, if you have a wall which you don't like, they have these green panels, and they started at £7.99, and they have 2 designs and styles. And how great price are these plant pots? They actually start at £1.29 for a more basic style, I would say. They're still very pretty, don't get me wrong, but I think that because of the molding for the product, it cost them a little bit more to make them. So the other ones were a little bit more expensive, but that is absolutely fine. And how cute are the snails? Also, this basket from last year is back. You can put your spring bulbs into it and they'll bloom, and you can leave them on your garden table, or you can bring it home. And it's so pretty, and oh my goodness, I can't wait for spring. Let me know, what do you think, and can you wait for spring, or are you like me who's itching to get to warm sunshine? And that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to be notified when I upload my next video, you can click the bell button, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye friends!